Alright guys, we're at Macy's Herald Square in New York City, and look what we got. We got not one, not two, but we got some more wooden escalators. And this one is, I was right, this one has the Otis tag on it. I've been dying to look for that for a long time. Alright guys, let's take this thing up for a ride. Oh, this is beautiful. There's music playing, so I'm gonna try to do my best to drown it as much as I could. Oh, which way do I? Oh, here it is. Sorry, I almost went the wrong way. But anyways, we're gonna take this up. This one's more narrow, as you can see here. This thing is absolutely amazing. I love these things. These are nice. Look at this. There's people coming down, so I'm not going to get their picture, but let's take this thing up for a ride. Before we do, let's take a look at this. Emergency stop. Unlike this one, doesn't have the Otis nameplate on it. This one's got the key switch. Oh, now we can get a better view. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go up. Needless to say to you, these things are in the process of getting replaced. These things are absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna have to do a full detailed video of this thing because I hate to tell you this heartbreaking news, but these things are actually fixing to be replaced in the near future. So if you guys want to see this, if you guys want to see these elevators, you see these escalators, see this one's already replaced, and Schindler was the one who did the replacement. So with that being said, if you guys want to see these escalators, you have to come here. You have to come here soon if you want to see them. They're probably going to be gone probably by next year-ish, I think. I don't know. So I just want to let you guys know that. See, this escalator right here was totally replaced. Though it doesn't say the Schindler sign on it, but I know for a fact, Schindler, it is confirmed that Schindler replaced these. All right, there's music. Right, so let's go and click this one. This one's the double file version. So you can see right there, they're actually getting replaced, as you see on my far left of the screen. One of the escalators are already getting replaced. So this is the lowest that we can go. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.